Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, this is Talk with KG, and in this my channel, I teach new YouTuber on how to grow fast on their YouTube channel, how to monetize their YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be talking about importance of playlists, how playlists can make your video views increase. I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about a playlist. So, what is playlist? Playlist basically means compiling all your all related videos into a folder. That's what playlist means. It means you making all your videos that are the same, putting them in a particular file, putting everything that are similar in a particular box. That's what playlist means. That means you're organizing your video according to topic. So one of the main usefulness of a playlist is that apart from it, making your channel tidy, making everything easy on your channel, making things easy to find on your channel. It makes your video play one after the other. Maybe you send me a link of your playlist now. That means I'm watching every video instead of you sending a link of one video. You're sending a link of all the videos in that playlist. So let's say you're ending your video, you're making a video and you put it at the head screen, you put a playlist there. So that means your playlist makes your video play one after the other till the end of the last video on that particular playlist. When the person finish watching that your particular video, instead of the person seeing other people's content, instead of YouTube suggesting other people's video, it's your video that is going to be there automatically. It's going to play automatically on its own, even without the person going back and searching for another video on your channel. It's automatically going to play till the last video on the playlist runs out. So playlist is very powerful. It's a very simple tool, but very powerful because YouTube even likes when you make people stay longer on their platform. If someone is planning to spend 5 minutes on YouTube, and after seeing your content, that person is spending more time, YouTube is going to reward you by recommending more of your videos. So even after playing all your playlists, YouTube is going to keep recommending your videos to the particular person or to other people, even outside your playlist. It's going to recommend other videos on your channel, even outside your playlist, because YouTube is going to see that that person enjoys your content. And if you're someone that is looking for watch hour inside your channel, you have to have playlists. You have to have playlists so that you can easily send it to your people, to your friends, to your family, so that they can binge watch all your content. And that is going to give you watch hour. Instead of sending like different links to your people or your family, so you're just going to send that particular playlist. There are different ways that you can group your playlist. Now that you know that playlist matters, the next thing you have to know is the kind of playlist that works, because it's not all playlists that is going to work for you. If you just start naming your file name, your playlist name anyhow, you're not going to get people watching it unless you start sending it to other people, to your own people to watch it for you. If you want people to watch it outside of your channel, if you want YouTube to recommend your playlist to other people, you have to optimize that your playlist. So let me show you ways in which you can optimize your playlist so that YouTube can recommend it even to people without you sending the link out to anybody. Before I knew all this trick, I used to use my playlist title anyhow. I don't even take time to sit down and think of the kind of playlist that works. I just saw that people were using playlist and I created playlist. I did not know that there's a way you have to write the file name, the playlist name, folder name, for people to be able to attract people to get to watch that playlist. The playlist I was using was okay, honestly, but they were just okay. They were not perfect. They were not good. Nothing is perfect, but at least they were not giving me that views like I expected. Nobody was clicking them, nobody was watching them outside of the people that I was sharing the link to. So I have to sit down, I have to make research on the kind of playlist that works. Instead of naming your playlist, let's say you name it tutorials, instead of just calling your playlist tutorials, why don't you make it something searchable? Do you know people can actually search for playlists? So instead of you just writing tutorials, why don't you name it how to grow your subscriber from 0 to 1,000 or higher than that? People are searching for that. It's going to get you more views instead of just calling it tutorial. Nobody's searching for only tutorial on YouTube, but people are searching for how to make something. So instead of just naming your title one word, write the full thing that it means. Write the full content of the playlist. So write it like how to get 4,000 watch hour. People are searching for that. Let's say that's the kind of content you're making. So all your videos, all your related videos that is talking about how to improve your watch hour, you are going to put it all on that playlist. So anybody coming on that playlist knows that they need watch hour and they are going to watch it. So that's the kind of title that works. Not you just putting tutorial, not you just putting my day. not to just writing any finding. You want to have a finding that is evergreen. You have to have a playlist title that is evergreen, that people are still searching for. Even after 10 years, people are still searching for it. 5 years ago, people are searching for how to get 4,000 watch hour. And even till now, people are still going to be searching for it. Even 10 years to come, people are still going to search for how to get subscribers, how to get watch hour. Even if you're in all these live vlog, you should know how to position your title so that people will be searching for it steady and it will keep getting more views over time. Not to just posting something and that's the end of it. It's as season. You want to have an evergreen title. So if you're in all these YouTube growth niche, you want to have such a title. You can even name your playlist YouTube strategies that got me monetized in 2025. People are going to want to watch that kind of content because they are going to click on the file, even if that's not what they are looking for on your channel. Like everybody wants to get monetized if they are not already monetized. If you're a channel owner, the next step for you is to monetize your channel. So they are going to watch it or how to make your video go viral. You can name your playlist something like that. People are going to search for it. Those are evergreen. It sounds like something that is going to have parts. Do you get? You can name your channel step by step on how to do this. So it sounds like a journey. People are going to want to watch it to the end. So they're going to spend more time on that playlist. You can even call it YouTube tips that works in 2025. People are going to want to watch it because they want to know if that 2025 that you put there, maybe there's already a new tip there that started working this year. So people are going to watch that kind of playlist. You can get your playlist to show up on YouTube search and even on Google. You can get your playlist to show up on it. If people are searching for how to get subscribers and you put that as your title of your playlist, automatically YouTube can suggest it to people so that people can watch it instead of one video. YouTube can suggest that particular playlist to people. Even on Google, when you are uploading your video, I've said it times without number, change the file name so that you are not just showing up on YouTube, you're showing up on Google too, free without spending anything. Once people go on Google to search for that type of thing, it's going to automatically take them to your YouTube channel because YouTube also owns Google. So make use of all this. Your live stream, you have to have a playlist for it so that anybody going there will know that that's your live stream. So that your channel will not just be on professional. You have to have a playlist for even your live stream. So another one is pin your playlist in the comment section or in the description button. Pin your playlist there so that when someone watch your video, you are automatically linking them. You are leading them to that your playlist. So if you pin it or you put it in your description, people might click on it and thereby watching more of your videos. Instead of you linking just a video to your end screen or your description or your comment section, just a video, post your playlist link instead of that, instead of just a video, so that you can optimize the time people spend on your content, the time people spend on your channel. Do you know that playlist actually pushed one of my video? That my video was on an average. I was not getting views like that. I was not getting watch time from it. That particular video moved from an average video to top 5 of my performing video. Do you know the reason? Because I kept pushing that playlist out. I kept pushing it almost on all my videos. I kept leaving it there. I kept using it at my end screen. So I kept promoting a particular playlist, making the videos on the playlist move from average to my best video. You can actually work smart by promoting your playlist. Any video that you see that is struggling on your playlist, keep promoting it and you're going to see a spike. It's going to increase. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you've also tried using a playlist and it's made your YouTube journey smoother, leave a comment for me also so that other YouTubers they can get to learn other things from you also. If you're going to be using a playlist also, if you're going to start using a playlist, drop a comment for me also and I'm going to reply you. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.